Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make seafood boil broth. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything on hand for a delicious meal. Then, we'll prepare the aromatics and spices, setting the foundation for a rich and flavorful broth. This step-by-step guide will help you create a perfect base for your next seafood feast, making the process simple and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. First, gently sauté your chopped onions and minced garlic until they become wonderfully fragrant and translucent. Next, stir in your selected spices and herbs, allowing them to toast slightly and release their full aroma. Finally, deglaze the pot with a splash of chicken broth or a dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. This creates a deep, complex foundation for your broth. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great cooking tips. On another note, making a big seafood boil often means leftovers, so why not make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers? They're perfect for storing your delicious creations. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our flavor base established, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in the rest of your liquids like more broth or water and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a touch of cayenne for extra kick. This ensures your broth is perfectly balanced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.